Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to apply fisheye effect in CapCut PC. So first drop the video to the timeline, click the plus icon, and this is the example video. And then go to the menu bar and click on effect, and in the video click on the video effects and type in the search bar fisheye. Hit enter. And here you can see that there are so many fisheye options available. So if you want to apply fisheye 3, and here you can see that this is the starry fish. You can play around these multiple options, but here I am applying the fisheye code. So drag to the timeline and play it. So this effect is actually covered the entire screen. So how you can fix the position to the any part of the video? For this you need to click on the mask and click on the add mask, and you need to click on the film strips, and now you have to rotate it and place the position where you want to apply this effect. Let's play how it looks. And here you can see that now it is applying on the left side of the video. It is not covering the entire video, so it gives more. Further you can go to the basics and change the color if you want to, and now you can see that the color has been changed. So this looks much better. So in this way you can easily apply fisheye effect in the CapCut PC. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.